Hello, everybody. Welcome from the library. So I wanted to pass on a piece of information that came to me from Jimmy Gattu. Jimmy Gattu taught me how to use the Google Meet breakout rooms. If you're interested in figuring out how to isolate some groups of kids so that you can control the conversation a little bit and listen in with and be able to mute them, I think this is an excellent option. What you need to do is add an extension up here. To do that, you're going to go to Google Meet breakout rooms, type that in, hit enter, and it's going to take you right here to the link. And then it says, this will say add extension. I've already done that. And when you get that, you'll have that appear right here in your extensions tab, which is the Google Meet breakout rooms. And once that's there, you can actually go to the Google Meet breakout room. Inside the Google Meet breakout room, you're going to have to set up a course. So if you go to the course setting, and the addition button will allow you to set up as many courses as you want. So I'm going to set up a Global Issues 10 course and save that. Once I've saved that, it allows me to set up rooms underneath that course. So I select my course. I'm going to go to Global Issues 10, and I'm going to take my main Google link and call this main room. But I can add as many rooms as I want. Room number 1, etc. And once I'm satisfied with the number of rooms, I save that. It's going to generate a link. This link can be copy-pasted and sent off to the students as separate breakout rooms that you'll be able to see in your tabs. So for example, I'm going to copy this first one, and this is going to be the main room. But if I want another one, I can copy this, open it up in a separate tab, and it'll take me to a second room. So this is our main meeting area. This is going to be a breakout room, and I'll be able to see all of them. And if I want, I can just kind of pull this off and actually have multiple views at the same time when my kids are meeting, so I can see this. Hope this is helpful. Good luck. If you have any questions, ask Jimmy Gattu or me.